Good morning, guys. Lillian with Lily Ray's collection. Today I am going to do a project that I was following Jenny Mano on. It's a technique to do one of her whimsical women. I'm using my last sheet of the 148 pound mixed media paper. It's literally my last one. And she was doing a technique with the Elegant Writers, which I have, but I decided that I would use these are my Elegant Writers. I have all of them, not just the one. And so instead of using any of my Elegant Writers, I decided to use my Inktense Pencils, which are pigment. Let me show you. See the Inktense Pencils? I have the 36 pack, and they need, they need water to be activated. So what I did was I put the green and the pink around the edges, as well as the black and the charcoal. And I used the salt as well. So I'm going to record this in steps, and you won't hear me talk, but you will have some music in the background. All right, so let's get started.